In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ManyChat to Facebook Messenger. We'll walk through the full process from inside your ManyChat dashboard. And by the end, your Facebook page will be connected and ready to start sending automated messages through Messenger. First, open your browser and log into your ManyChat account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu. In that menu, find the option labeled Settings. It usually has a small gear icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that to open your account and bot settings. Inside the settings area, you'll notice another menu on the left panel specifically for different configuration sections. Here, you want to look for the section called Channels. This is where you connect ManyChat to different platforms. Under Channels, you'll see an option for Messenger. Click on Messenger and then click the Connect button. This tells ManyChat that you want to link your Facebook Messenger channel to this account. As soon as you hit connect, a new page or pop-up will open, prompting you to log in with your Facebook account. Make sure you're logging into the Facebook profile that has admin or editor access to the Facebook page you want to connect. Enter your details if you're not already logged in and follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, Facebook will show you a list of pages that you manage. Find the page you want to use with ManyChat and click the connect button next to that page. Give it a moment to process. The page will reload and you should see a confirmation message saying that your page is successfully connected. When you see that success message, click Let's Start to continue. After this, you'll be taken back into ManyChat, specifically to your Messenger channel settings. Now that the connection is active, you'll see options to customize how your Messenger bot behaves. From here, you can edit your Messenger greeting text, which is the first line people see before they start a conversation. You can adjust your subscription list settings to control how people opt in. You can also configure your default reply, which is what users get if your bot doesn't understand their message, and your welcome message, which is sent when someone first interacts with your page. You'll also have access to your main menu and different opt-in automations, allowing you to design the exact experience people get when they message your page. At this point, your ManyChat account is fully connected to Facebook Messenger and ready for you to customize and build out your automation flows.